Causal is the all-in-one financial planning tool for startups. If you're an early stage company, you don't need a full finance team, but you do need a simple financial model that lets you track your expenses, forecast your runway and growth, and report back to your team and investors. Causal lets you set this up and put it on autopilot so you can spend more time growing your business. This is an example model that you can generate in Causal from your own financial data in under 5 minutes, and I'm going to show you how. Once you're done, you'll have an interactive dashboard just like this one, where your team can play around with the numbers without breaking anything. It'll show your revenue, your runway, your cash and your burn, and a summary P&L, and everything's interactive so you can get to the insights that you need without too much faffing around. Let's see how to build this. Once you create a Causal account, you can get started with our wizard. This connects to your data and generates a custom financial model out of the box that you can build upon as you grow. We're going to pick the combined finance and headcount wizard to generate a financial model based on our accounting data that's connected to a headcount model based on our HR system. Causal integrates with QuickBooks and Xero for accounting and pretty much every HRIS. In this case, we're going to use QuickBooks alongside Bamboo HR. Now, once you go through your authentication flows for the two systems, you'll end up with something like this. You'll have one tab for your financial model with a basic P&L structure and another tab for your headcount model with a full list of all your employees from your HR system and also a place where you can enter your planned hires for the future. Now on the left-hand side of the interface, we have the spreadsheet. This is where you can input values, write formulas, and do calculations. And on the right-hand side, we'll have our charts and tables. Some of the rows of our spreadsheet have a data icon in them. This means that Causal is pulling in the actuals for these items when they exist. And for future months, Causal is doing a forecast based on the formula that we've defined. In this case, the formula for gross profit is just our current revenue minus our current cost of goods sold. You'll notice there's no cell references or crazy symbols to keep track of, and this single formula calculates our gross profit for our whole model. If we want to create a new calculation, that's as simple as giving it a name, for example, our profit margin, and writing the formula. In this case, it'll just be our profit divided by our revenue. Now, once again, this single formula will calculate our profit margin for all of the different months of our model, and in a couple of clicks, we can format that as a percentage to make it easier to understand. Once we've created this calculation, we can simply drag it onto our charts and tables, and we can also, in a couple of clicks, create a new chart for it. So there's our profit margin. Now suppose you're trying to extend your runway and you want to see what happens in different scenarios. Causal's scenario feature can help with this. We'll create a scenario for our higher growth, and maybe in this scenario we want to see what happens if our revenue growth instead of 7% is actually, let's say, 12% per month. Causal will rerun the whole model with the new revenue growth number, and we can see that if we can grow 12% a month, we'll actually have 22 months of runway. This is obviously a very simple scenario, but these can get as complex as you'd like and even flow through among different interconnected models. Let's exit out of the scenario for now. Suppose a month has gone by and you now want to see how you're tracking against your plan for the year. Causal lets us do this kind of budget versus actuals analysis very easily. Let's head on over to our P&L table, and we can tell Causal that we want to see one column here for our plan and one column for the actuals. In a couple of clicks, we can add those into the table. We'll add our 2023 plan and our actuals in here, and Causal is handily showing us both numbers side by side, as well as the difference between them. Now, every month as the data comes in, this will update automatically. There's no manual work to be done rolling things forwards at the end of the month. We have lots more bells and whistles, from commenting and granular permissions to multi-dimensional modeling and even exporting to Excel. Do sign up and try it out.